Hey y'all, I'm the Book Garden Girl, and this is my garden. All right, let's do a welcome tour. Welcome to my channel, and welcome to my garden. Let's go. One of the most important features in our garden, in my opinion, are our double raised beds that are strictly for flowers. Only flowers here, because we want to attract as many pollinators as possible. We've got a mix of things that come and go, wildflowers coming up, but we've got some perennial staples too, like this Barbados cherry, this echinacea, we've got yarrow, and my favorite hyacinth, which have already come and gone. They signal early springtime for me. This bed is identical to the one you just saw. I've doubled up on everything. And we actually built these beds ourselves. We went to the hardware store, got the lumber, and filled it with soil. We might upgrade one day, but this is gonna last us for at least another 3 seasons. And this bed is one of my pride and joys. Nothing but blueberries, different varieties. You know, you want to have more than one blueberry bush usually to help with pollination. And as you can see, this sunshine blueberry, early producer, full of berries. Now these are 2 of my most productive beds. Part of that is positioning. They get a lot of good direct sunlight here. But I've got kale from the fall still going strong. I've got tomatoes and tomatillos in this bed with some marigolds and nasturtium. This is jam-packed. I've got 4 different tomatoes in here, a tomatillo, corn, and some sweet peas are coming up in the next couple weeks. And carrots on the far end. Gotta maximize the space. And down here in the middle, just my extra seedlings. All right, big bed number 3. I've got a lot of peppers going on here, and you can see I've packed them in. 4 bell peppers, a jalapeno in the middle. Up on this squash tunnel, we're gonna have some cucumbers vining up, and we've got some cantaloupe coming as well. And we can't ignore the beauty of this snapdragon. Well, my garden helper has joined me. This is Isley. She gets all the produce that I would take to the compost, but she gets a little snack first. In this 4th big bed, we've planted some chard, plenty of marigolds. I've got some lettuce coming up here in the middle. And on this side of the squash tunnel, we'll do some vining flowers. We'll do some watermelons, the small ones, the sugar baby, and maybe a couple of small baby spaghetti squash as well. All of that foliage is gonna give a nice shade canopy for the lettuce, keep it from getting too bitter. All right, and this big bed is nothing but herbs. We've got an assortment of mint, mojito mint, spearmint, peppermint. We've got lemon balm, lemongrass. We've got sage, thyme, basil, green onions, and this is just the beginning. All right, and now we're in the back corner of the garden. It's a little bit more shaded over here, but you still get good light, and so I'm running tomatoes on both sides, carrots and beets down the middle, tomatoes right here. I'm doing a hibiscus, a roselle, because we want that tea this summer. And then a nice sprinkling of flowers, nasturtiums, marigolds, and anything else that comes up from last year. Woo! This is the asparagus bunch. Nothing but asparagus here. And as you can see, they are wild now. This is only our 2nd season with these asparagus, so we're gonna let them get tall, burn out. We'll collect some seeds from them. We'll chop them down, and then next season, we'll start to harvest our very first asparagus for dinner.